What is your marks in mains
My main scorecard is 135 out of 135.
Oh my god. So he has scored 135 out of 135. And you can see his English. So remember one thing, you will have to be good at English. Hello everyone. अभी हम है SSC CGL रैंक 103 के साथ और ये है अमित पाल. तो अमित पाल ये बेसिकली कानपुर से है, लेकिन अभी फॉर द लास्ट 4 years ये यहीं पर काम कर रहे हैं DDA में. तो आप देख लीजिए, अभी मैं पूरा कंप्लीट डिटेल पूछूंगी अमित से ही. तो अमित ये बताओ, आप DDA में किस पोस्ट पे हो?
मैम DDA में JSA की पोस्ट पे हूँ.
ओके.
2021 में ज्वाइन किया था मैंने in the month of March. And now it's been more than 4 years since I've been working there.
So you are from Kanpur?
Yes, I am from Kanpur.
Okay. तो 2-4 साल पहले आप कानपुर से ही सीधा यहाँ आए हो कि पहले दिल्ली में थे?
पहले से ही दिल्ली में था.
Okay.
I've done my schooling from here only.
From which school?
I'm studied from Suraj Bhan DAV Public School.
Okay, fine. And you have been preparing for how many years?
It's been, I think, more than 3 years.
More than 3 years.
Yes.
So it takes 3 years to crack SSC CGL.
Just because of the competition which you can clearly see. There's strict competition going on.
So you have been working in DDA.
Yes, ma'am.
DDA on this post of JSA.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या काम है?
हम बेसिकली वहाँ पे काम तो डायरी डिस्पैच का होता है, बट ड्यू टू शॉर्टेज ऑफ स्टाफ वी आर डूइंग द वर्क ऑफ नोटिंग ड्राफ्टिंग एज वेल.
शॉर्टेज ऑफ स्टाफ?
Yes.
दैट मीन्स वैकेंसीज तो है.
Yes,
नौकरी नहीं है.
नौकरी नहीं है.
ओके. प्रिपरेशन कैसे किया आपने इसका?
स्टार्टिंग में हम जब JSA में मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ था उस टाइम पे अराउंड 7 to 8 months मैंने पढ़ा था.
तो उसमें क्या आते हैं? DDA में क्या है सिलेबस?
बेसिकली मैम उस टाइम पे Tier 1 था उनका, सिर्फ एक सिंपल पेपर था और सेकंड में टाइपिंग थी एंड कंप्यूटर का था.
ओके.
तो उसमें 120 मार्क्स का था. तो उस टाइम पे इतना कंपटीशन भी नहीं था, DDA के बारे में नॉलेज भी नहीं थी लोगों को. तो इवन आई ऑल्सो फिल द फॉर्म. तो क्योंकि जॉब थी नहीं तो कहीं ना कहीं ट्राई करना ही था. तो मैंने फॉर्म फिल किया, उसमें सिलेक्शन हुआ.
उसके ग्रेड पे का है वो?
हाँ, 1900 ग्रेड पे.
Okay,
लेवल 2 जॉब.
Okay.
जस्ट लाइक CHSL LDC.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after joining DDA, I came to know that people are still preparing for other posts, and I met him, one of my friend,
Okay.
who is also working in JSA as in DDA only. So I came to know from him that you can prepare for CGL also. There are so many fields. You can try for income tax, you can try for ASO and MEA, you can try for CSS as well. So I thought of it, and then I've watched your videos as well regarding the post. How many posts do we have in CGL?
Okay.
And then I thought that first preference, because at that time only in 2021 the pattern was 200 maths and 200 English.
Okay.
So I thought first I should complete my English portion because my English was good at that time.
Okay.
So I asked so many friends that what should I do for English. They told me that you should go and study from Neetu Singh ma'am only. But due to the shortage of time and all, I thought that I should buy your books only, and from there only I prepared whole English.
Okay.
Yes.
So you prepared your complete English from my book, and your English is quite good.
Yes.
So what is your marks in mains this year?
My main scorecard is 135 out of 135.
Oh my god. So he has scored 135 out of 135. And you can see his English. So remember one thing, you will have to be good at English. यानी कि इंग्लिश में अगर अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें तो 135 out of 135 is possible.
Yes, ma'am, it's possible.
Okay, fine. Now tell me, what is the overall preparation? What are required for overall preparation of SSC?
मैम बेसिकली क्या होता है, लोग आज के टाइम में प्रिपरेशन के लिए टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज कंपलसरी. इफ यू आर एबल टू मैनेज योर टाइम यू विल बी एबल टू श्योरली गेट सक्सेस इन द फ्यूचर. And you have to give around 6 to 8 hours on daily basis.
Okay.
And that too you have to like arrange your time per subject. Like you have to give 1.5 or 2 hours to maths, and 1.5 hour to reasoning as well, 2 hours to GS as well, and 1 to 2 hours to English as well. Suppose my strong portion was English, so I usually in the starting I used to give around 1 to 2 hours to English and rest of the time to other subjects.
Okay.
But initially when I grasped all the things, then I started giving more time to other subjects as well.
Okay.
Because आज के टाइम में अगर आपकी GK and English ठीक है, then only you will be able to get the selection, because the weightage of GK and English is more as compared to other sections. Because here you'll have to score around from 210, you'll have to score around 160 to 170. Then only you will be able to get the desired post.